Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, put it down to the ground. Take what you take and go the way though. You know what I mean? Yeah man. I kind of video that intro myself, you know what I mean? But if it's the first time you watch a channel, yeah, do subscribe, you know what I mean? Cause I take what you take and go the way though. And only you, my fans out there, can really do it and make it work. You know what I mean? In front of the fans them it will work, you know what I mean? So as I go through this stressful period, you know what I mean, trying to figure out the next move, you know what I mean? So we are go through the phase there. Yeah man. So please big up Empress G and please subscribe to her channel, you know what I mean? Cause she's one of the people that will always support the movements, even this project as she help finance it, you know what I mean? To ensure say we could have the time for shooting and refreshment and you know the 9 yard and everything. She always put 100% effort to ensure that the company move forward. So 6.5 dozen other is a Jamaica saying. So let's watch the movie and leave the comments at the end. And please do remember, subscribe to Empress G TV, you know what I mean? She teach about cooking and all those stuff, you know what I mean? And there'll be a lot of stuff coming in the pipeline. So please go over there. Tell her say I send you, you know what I mean? Because she's really one of the main person who keep Jamaiwood going forward in terms of support. One of them, you know what I mean? There's a lot more, but I just she may highlight on this video now because I want her channel to get some subscribers. She just want to reach 1,000K. You know what I mean? So I just want to reach out 1,000K. Please and thanks. Please do subscribe to Empress GTV. Let's go. Watch a movie at the same time, tell me what you think, but please after remember, go over to Empress G and subscribe. Alright, let's go.
Richard Brown Flips. Curious King.
I'm blind, I'm blind, I'm blind. I'm blind by love, but I'll be fine, my love. My kindness defines my love. Should I read between the lines? Can somebody find my love? I'm blind by love. Food that yeah, I'ma just can't eat. Lying on my bed, I'ma just can't sleep. Yeah, dish me dirt, I'ma just can't see it. Should I love myself, but me just not do it. People I want you, but you're not TikTok. Them a show you life, but you can't take dog. I see no happy ending inside. Fly by day and it pitch by night. Blind by love. I'm here find my love. Find my love. My love. Oh yes, I'm blind by love. Can somebody find my love? Reach to the point where me I go let go. You're not gonna see me here no more. You do what you wanna do. Right now I have no time for you. It's time for me to break free. See what's out there in the world for me. Get back my sight so now me can see. You wasn't the right girl for me. I was blind by love, but I'll be fine, my love. My kindness defines my love. Try read between the lines. Can somebody please find my love? But I was blind by love. Can somebody please? Can somebody please help me in the times like these? It's like I'm lost out here, surrounded by people pretending, but they really don't care.
Why y'all laugh with no man, you know?
So me talk, me no matter if you vex. Me say no playing.
No, can you where they say I go?
But you may say to you now, when you get it into your head.
Can you where they say I go? Come get
Me I gotta walk. But when me and you there, anything me say, it have to go my way.
Me hear you.
Alright. Oh, me and you there? You see how me get you? Me ramp with you. Right? And two twos, bam! We start to have sex. We dead and do so. So me no want no man a ramp with you. You hear me?
No man not ramping me.
Catch your laugh, you know the man again and see what more do to you.
No man not laughing me. Come. Alright. Alright, you come go in.
You fix you. Look here, let me tell you something, man. I don't want to get a look for you. Make sure you don't get a look for you when you're out here.
Baby, calm down. You know you alone me and medicine.
I mean, so some girl did they carry food come give you. They try to make sure you're not in no conversation, you know. Can be come watch, you know. I bet when I did them roll up on the side.
Why are you so insecure?
You loyal, baby, I love you.
Just trust me, I'm not cheat for you, man. So come out here. Alright.
Try to make sure. I'm going to call you.
Alright, later.
Make sure you call me when you reach.
Yeah, man. Oh, you see past the man? I'm going to say some concrete we are mixed today. No?
I want shoes up outside, man. I want water boat. Water boat. Come here, man. Concrete to say I mix, man.
Rasta,
Yeah, go
why you
on.
watching me here? Make sure you not chat to no girl up outside.
Man, what kind of destructive argument there? I'm gonna be getting in and that. I
Calm
joke
down,
you in the
man.
fan.
You see you?
Yo, you know the boss.
Make sure you don't have no girl in our car there, you know.
Yeah. Boss cold, man. I want to brownie.
You have to call me, babe.
Alright.
I'm free carry. Alright.
Alright.
Don't forget to call me.
You reach here now. Ready? You want to. Oh.
Come on. Yeah, man. Yes, I'm still here now. Yeah.
How old is?
I'm a cousin.
Your cousin?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, me.
Hey.
Good.
Good.
Yeah, man. So, Mr. Daddy, you don't know.
No, I'll just go and chill out. Still, no?
You have to back in after that.
Yeah.
You go chill out with your cousin. Maybe not few things to talk about, so we just have to go to the privacy.
Alright.
Yeah, you good?
Yeah, Bob. You know, nasty. Nasty, nasty. Miss you, you know, miss me.
Yeah, man. Long time when I see you and something, you know.
You hear all that girl say.
Yeah, me a grow, you know. Can't put that figure about Yeah, I eat some food now and then. When they eat no food, so I eat some food. Then can we eat?
Yeah, you walk on the side of the road.
Bill. How you going to do?
Me just sit down and wonder some things out there right now. Tired and stressed out. So we are go.
Thomas.
So we are go.
How are you going on, man? You don't know where you go. When I say some things, you don't want you really get upset, you know. Right? But it's a reason you show you how me stay as a man. You see, as a man, when I talk, I want you to listen what I say. Because when I say things, I say, it better you. I don't want you to laugh up with no man. No laughing with no man.
Yeah, but then I know.
Money down.
Why this morning I think I could have catch her and I go up where but they move out fast.
Yeah, man, make a fast push, man.
Man, alright, see her today.
You work. Anyway,
What's the dinner?
I don't know yet.
money that I made do man listen. I like myself. Yeah, listen a couple of
Well,
them shopping to them.
India sing out help from you,
But
man.
man, you see me and I think come help me the bag.
Come on.
Come on.
Babes, I want to tell you something. See, don't get yourself for going there. My cousin there,
Which cousin?
he named Toga, me that tell about.
So oh you never met me no say
Me
nobody
was
a
saying the
found.
dog come, my emergency, he call me and tell me say man kick him out of his house. In that stay with one of your friend him.
Listen to me I say, you know say unfair though. Other day when me tell her say make me carry my girl cousin come here, is a big problem, you know want that happen. So how no you fi carry your boy cousin come in my house? And you even call me and ask me. When me want to do my work at night time, what me go do? And he in there. What kind of style like? You have to tell me. You bring people come to my place, you have to tell me. Don't bring nobody in my place unless you ask me. Let go from me, come on. That disrespectful.
Me know, but me know say him a come. You know hear me tell you say him just call me and tell me saying him friend kick him out. I'm just say alright, true me know say I have a spare bed, but maybe one week me soon make him come out because me not like him either. Me should have tell you, but me didn't even bother you when you do work.
Listen to me. Listen to me I say. You see the time when you call you and tell us and you get kicked out, you should have called me up on my phone, set time and asked me if your cousin could have stayed here. Suppose me did say me I carry down my daughter now come stay down here. Suppose me did just surprise you now and carry my daughter come here today. Where you would have put him? Because you have to put him out the door, you know. My daughter come before everybody, you know. Me put my daughter over everybody, you know. So you have to know that, don't ramp with me again.
me sorry, this not gonna happen again. Me ain't really that think because me say in just emergency, in just hurry and call me. Me ain't really that think, but 1 week time he come out. Me tell him.
So me I say, make sure say your cousin. Come in a run joke. Matter of fact, you cook. You're there friend, you cook.
Me ain't get to cook, baby.
So what you mean you get to cook? What you did I do?
Me
Me not left phone here this morning.
Me da wash out the sheet them and something. Me da do polypower clean up in there and change the sheet and something else. Right now I'm tired.
Me go back on the road go buy food.
No, we can't order food, don't worry.
Order which food? You and your cousin try to get some food for you. Me go
We
buy
are
some.
going no,
Come on.
come.
I'm going in the room.
Cousin,
Come on. I don't really want to meet no man still in but me hear my
Because
sister.
I'm a father,
So
brother
one.
with me.
I don't like man, so I don't really want to say nothing to you. Yeah, bless up.
No,
Yeah, I go back on the road.
you look vexed. Come here.
I get something to eat, man. Yeah. I'm tell about this, say.
You just come in here, but I'm not facing you not come over here today.
What you mean you take me out now come over here? I'm man here come over here?
Me not have no man over here. This is
You know, you mean I say don't ramp with me, you know.
I don't man on this.
And me I pay the rent over here, you know. Just make sure if you don't know money you have in here, you know.
Me not have no man over here, but I'm just say me never know say you come over here today because I tell me say you not come over here.
Yes, I surprise me, I surprise me. I think you have somebody over here, so I'm just
Well,
rolling.
surprise, huh?
But you mean I say no more me all a reason.
What kind of reason?
So, where me just come from, you see me, and I go over here there and see my girlfriend. I tell me, say, our cousin come down and I stay over. All along, me tell her, say, I want to carry you over there. And she tell me about that can happen. And she carry for her man cousin come over there.
So what kind of start this?
So right now, I sit down, then I value of decision and me I wonder, say, might me have to carry over there, then I make it stay over there.
So be the case.
Because me I pay the rent over here and the light bill over here, so the money tall. You see me, so me I say, like go a 2 bed over there in a room, can carry over there, and you sleep with our cousin. But listen me I say though,
So yeah,
make sure say, when you, hello, me I talk to you, make sure say when you go over there, and you sleep with them, not even roll and go over upon him when you
but I
sleep.
know me sleep bad.
Because, listen me I say, if me see you ever try that, me kick you down.
You put the shot.
And me I give you a sheet for yourself to cover up with. So as me say, when you go to the place, and me carry go over me yard, me I tell my man say I'm a cousin too. You see me? And that would be more good for we too.
Can't say you should have often.
Yeah, because me can tell her say,
But
Me
I know
I go-
some not going to sit. Me like.
this one me I tell the man me I talk, this one me I say.
Around me.
We over there, you can just tell me say yo, auntie say if we can deal with it, and me just roll out, we can go a river, we can go anywhere we want to go. You see me? But as me said, don't ramp with me.
Nah,
Make sure it's not even rolling or roll over there. So me I go over here now, you see me, and talk to my girlfriend about it and make sure know say yo, since she have a boy cousin over there, me suppose I can carry for my girl cousin over there too.
You sure saying cousin?
Listen what me I say.
Come on, I want to
Me find out that in due time, but listen what me I say. Me I talk about me and you. Me say, when you let go the place, come when you can live in with me now. You see me? And I head down till the animal sleeps, and I feel like say, you can ramp with me. So what me eat already?
No.
So why you not eat nothing? You not there for and you not cook something. I not give you money last night.
I'm not really hungry like that.
The less me I go buy one food still, but Told me I'm hungry, I tell you about to go over there. So may I go buy some food and I carry come back over here.
Alright, no problem.
Right. Feel like me alone give a piece before I go with them.
Come on. No, come back.
Alright, General. Good day. Good. How was today here though?
It was okay as well.
You look too okay though. The place is dirty like you know, no clean for man.
I was going to clean.
But I
I plan
now.
to pick it up anyways. You got clean the place.
You want to help her?
No, me do it myself.
Boy, you know, work for us.
And me can help her come in and then you can start ride them out.
But on that man say, but the place is clean up though, you know.
I never do.
And last night we have met love and that she picked this up as I didn't take it down. None at all. We don't understand.
You tell us I hit me to cold right now.
That means you know food no cook then.
I go cook.
You go do so much things one time. Give me a
I
second.
go clean up first then I go cook.
I don't know. Remember some man just there to tell us
Remember,
something.
see, you can't get.
I told you.
You come forward
Here,
me
tell her. Listen now. Listen to me a while ago.
You come for work earlier, they tell me can help me do things too.
So, me figure work. Go work the money, right? Take care of every bills and then have to take care. Because I don't want your work. Because I don't trust woman like that to go work and then two to them and the boss start have
You
sex
can't
and
trust
so on.
them.
So listen to me and say no. Me ensure say you not have to work. So ultimately ask of you, wash my clothes them, clean the place clean
So,
and
I
cook
tell
the
say,
food.
I go do. Me go
No,
clean up the place
but for
where I
morning,
go
me that work, you know, me not like murmur.
I
you
never
know.
feel good, so me just
Oh, you know,
so I lay down here.
oh. So
Me
not
just
just,
sleep.
Mama,
Me
listen
just
now.
wake too.
I am a very generous person, right? So if I may ask you, first thing first, I say fire. I didn't feel so good today. Anybody can feel sick? You feel sick?
I feel a little better now.
You feel better now. Because if I feel sick, I just make it down and we can go to the hospital.
Me alright, me can be in the kitchen and come back.
Yo, bad boy. Yo, bad boy. Oh, sorry. Golden. You alright? Oh, bad boy there.
In there. Oh.
You know them that's coming or whatever?
Gone out the road.
Oh, alright. My dad.
Rasta. Yo, Rasta. Wait for this one.
Where?
We sure not saying nothing because I want to bump me that squeeze out of my cousin's face.
Hello. You see what you and your cousin do is you and your cousin business. So if you don't want to make soup, as long as you don't make a drink, it's okay. So, but anyway, here's a wicked woman though. If you say the man that work on site, that man can't be your cousin, you know. Because if you're your cousin, that means you and him start do from when you're young. That means them they love in there when you hug up and a squeeze and them they mean more than cousin. You can't fool him, but me tell you, me not fool, but me not busy about that. Still, when I say, when I make on a soup, me not drink none. Alright?
But still, you don't have to tell my boyfriend nothing because I need nothing with that. I want to bump me that squeeze. So I beg you not tell him nothing because you know how him stare at me.
Hello. Between me and you know golden, right? Don't, you see, if you tell me, alright then, if I find out, say that's not your cousin, what must I do? Because you say, honest with me, I don't care. But you know, I know it's not your cousin. tell me the truth. Me not tell a man. Is that your cousin?
No, I'm cousin.
Alright now. Can that man help you?
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
No, tell no, wait, start back from. Yo, man, you see, alright, if you find out say it's not your cousin, what must I do? Alright, be honest with me though. Because that is the truth, you know. So if you tell me the truth, me not business about it.
Stop wrap up my tongue.
Ma ask you a
Rasta.
question. No, listen, me not play that song. Let me say something to you. Is that man really your cousin? Be honest with me.
No, I'm not my cousin.
Alright. So can that man help you?
Me no know. Just not tell him. I don't want him to find out. Just not tell him, please.
Hello, Mr. the Bridget. Yeah. What you must say now? Whatever you do, know what you do. Enough girl. Go place and I come back. Yeah?
Just allow people business alone, Rasta. One of you and of you.
Alright. Where's that while up?
You say allow people business alone, go in their quarters.
What me say?
Don't tell him nothing.
Hello! You see, what you tone your voice, you know? Because there's a thing named wrong and strong.
Me know.
You're wrong, so you're wrong, you must try to be weak. The last time you catch somebody with something bad, they ask for the answer. Yeah? So when you're wrong, you're weak out yourself and you get too strong. You understand? Because I'm responsible for business. But if you make your business come in my business, then I will like it.
I don't know what you're talking about anyway.
But me I say to you, what you doing play a game right, but me I say you are one wicked woman. Where can you never find somebody have a piece of money that means say at least he can give a piece of money? Because the man work hard out in the sun to make you better. So where can you find a man who can make you better instead of a poor man who go deal with the property in when the man gonna work? Can you see what's going on, you know? Look like you want walking straight through, look like you have you're cool, you have a live in there.
Rasta, just go in your room now.
You know, I don't say nothing, you know. I don't say nothing. Because I know say if my one do the same thing, he won't say nothing. So I play the same game. Everything good. Just do your thing, but I say, you're wicked. B. B. You know, say golden over there. The man over there, and a golden cousin.
So me don't know about that.
A while ago, I go over there and catch her in a compromising position. If you say the first time I see the man there, yeah, and he's doing like man laugh, so that.
You tell me say cousin.
No, a while ago when we go out the door, so and go there. But come here, just come a while ago, it's going to go back from the road from Virgin, right? Push the door and see about 9 man lap over him about bumping a man's face. You can't bust bump out your cousin face and wait. If you want to see like a certain man called tongue, but they move so
Sure
fast.
see that you see?
Then we depend on another. It up so fast after interest. So I bump my bus in 9
Well, she tell me say cousin, I say.
But would you lay down in your for your cousin and a bus bump in 9 face?
A cousin.
You do
That
that?
no matter.
Would you lay down front way for your cousin and bus bump in 9 face?
No, mother lay down, mother lay down.
Lay down, me attack. Lay down.
Mother lay down on him.
Alright, so lay down on him front way that. Because enough cousin used to do dugu when them small. So then start dugu from. I grew up in a family there. So I start dugu with the neighbor daughter. Right? So I know so from the start your dolly house and that's where it start from. Some of them not drop it. All of them are 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, go straight up. And now them still a dogo, then can't come out there.
Well, when he man come, she and her man.
Me not start that. This is people business, leave it alone. You see me say to you, me no want you say back to nobody, you know.
That good.
When me say no say back to nobody, because we don't want to mix
say
up.
nothing to nobody.
Because you see one thing, you see where two people put on head pan pillar. What do you tell the man no one the man in sweetheart the man who all away in a problem or so make him take out himself and make him one decision.
Exactly.
Alright? But one thing me I say to you, what one woman do, another woman will do. And if I catch you think you're bad, carry one family member, one man in here. Say you want them stay in a king size bed.
You know say you want give me man?
Listen up, no,
You
I
give me
don't
man.
say. Listen up. I don't say I have a man, but I said try
You
it.
have talk like say me have
No,
one.
me no. Me say try it. Me not say you have it yet. Me just say make the devil tempt you. Just make the devil tempt you, my friend. Do please me I beg you. You know, like one broke up somebody You big auntie kid, so me nice and all the kid, no.
You have to laugh. Where's the say?
No, Kyle, listen now. Me's a faithful youth. Watch you now. This a boy a faithful and non cheat pan you. I don't cheat and I don't eat. You understand me I
You
say?
not go cheat either.
So what me I say now?
So you don't need to come to me about no man. Me know myself.
But just because they happen to be bridging over there now, meals I say, if me just I tell you.
Me and the brown girl over there, so I don't see him.
What me I say though, people say a lot of things. Mouth set tongue cross, we have say anything. And me say 6 of one and half dozen of the other. So me not judge you, but me say 6 of one, half dozen of the other.
Like you want force down, man.
Me nah force nothing down your throat. Unless I the right, so me have push down your throat here. So no bother if I no food, me nah push it down your throat. Alright? Alright, so anyway, you look like you still feel sick. We know what go do? We go fast and pray. You have eaten so much food already. I don't think you have a nap tonight. Wrong or right?
You're wrong because we have to eat every day.
So we know I go well a rest cause for morning I work, I go well a shower, then well a rest. If you want to cook, you cook. But please clean up the place. May I clean up this down?
Alright, go on.
Alright, go all of you. I think I work on the house, the box said I don't know when they go stop up on the house here.
I can't even know no youth. That boy there no start. Woman always I say, yo, I look boy that man. I'm very and blah blah no you. And I move around the yard like a normal thing. And I say, alright, so I look at you. You see me? I even come catch for a woman in the brother. You know me say that God live at you, tell me no.
Wife, when ever hear a chat about you so much and I say nah cheat and nah cheat, that the little youth there. You said you the way ever take care of man. You know say a while ago me a drive and in here licking a vehicle like him a run and even fit. But just a while ago I see I run this stone, I realize say him a run from. Yo, just put yourself in no damage, man, you see me? That's the way I work tomorrow, you see me, so just call me if anything. That's the way I work tomorrow, man, so just call me if anything, here. Come on, let's go.
Say a word, man. You are.
Ah, you good?
Yeah, man.
Hello? Babe, you know just left you around there, man. Boy, you know easy, but me just left you around the yard. So you tell me you miss me already. Remember, so I can't talk too long on the phone. You know? You see me all the time today, man. I just drive in the yard. Just drive in. Just eat the food, man, and calm down yourself, man. You see me? Me text it. I'm going to go see if I can fix the business alright or no. Alright? Yeah, love you.
So how you out do I talk to so long?
Eh?
How you out do I chat to so long?
So you need to see me and Jutta out there talk.
On the phone me a chat.
No, man, I'm co-worker, then call me, man, and that's all.
So I just out there chatting.
You don't know say a Jutta woman when have down a yard there. Cheat on him with the little young boy there. Whenever I take care of. Jutta will spend how much money on the young boy down there. Cheat on him.
What?
You see a woman wicked?
I mean, if you tell her someone are wicked, you know, I know how they come so. Be picture me cheating for you.
How that thump out your teeth them?
Me not do it, we don't never do that. But look how you work hard and why me that cheat for you. And look how you work hard. That's a woman wicked. Look how you work hard and why? We don't never cheat for you, babe, because you make me eat most of the time, so I'm not cheat for you. I'm not so wicked. I'm not stay like a someone, no be. Be if me fit cheat for you, Me that rather cut out my front first or chop off my hand. Me? No, so no, this a girl. Me never cheat for you.
I only heap of that me here. Only heap of woman so they not do this and they not do that and then do it.
You're a liar, soldier.
Come here, me son. I'm going to go with a fresh and something, you know. Which way you cut it? Because I need to go with a fresh and something, you know.
In a room, but me can't come out.
Yeah, man. Tell me I need the room space, you know.
Alright, come on.
Go on, go on. I'm going to head up on short term.
Yeah, leave out now, babes.
Yo, come on, I'm going to give a piece of work, man. You can't sit down here all day and all that, you know.
I see we can't manage their work they do. Cause asthmatic and it's only heat. I ain't not really agree. And when I tell them, man, they broke, so I really can't lift up no heavy weight like that.
What you mean I said, you
At
can't?
different time, man, you know, want something easier.
You have asthma for 2
Bro,
babes.
may I talk to you about something else? You can't there every day and sit down in a house and not do nothing, you know.
Me get hurt, man. I soon get hurt, man. I dare today. Soon look hurt, man.
I'm talk to you about. Hear me I say, more you gonna make sure say your cousin get a work. Because me not feed him, you know. Me not feed no man. So me know you feel like say me I go in a sun every day. I work my hard working money. And I come here and come mind man and you sit down every day and I want to look no work. Are you me listen me I say, are you me responsible for me not responsible for him? Are you carrying come here? So try and make sure say get a work as him have to left yeah.
Don't worry about that. Me and me can get a work. Today, me and him go on the road and me look out for him.
That's what me I say. Don't run with me. Because I don't have mind no man.
You stop going, son.
Don't talk.
I saw him go on there and I feel no.
You're a penny treat, yeah.
You just love act up, but alright, bro.
And wash me here and idea.
Come
Yeah,
on.
shampoo in the
Alright, come on.
Babe, good evening.
Evening.
This is my cousin me I talk about Brittany and Brittany meet my wife. Good evening, honey.
So, be me, no, don't take my cousin there around here, which part you was
Hello, hello, don't try to embarrass me in front of my cousin. Come on.
We need to talk about this, you know.
We don't have anything to talk about.
Come here, let me talk to you. What over this?
Yo, so you want to go on now? She and my cousin.
This not her.
You may say no man, so I talk to you, this is what I say.
They are face if this not her.
Listen me, I say. She and my cousin, she named Brittany, and she will stay here with you. But hear me, I say now. You say this side of the bed, I fear her. She has sleep every night. And here what go on now, I don't want.
So I may roll over on the bed.
This what me I say. I don't want no attachment between the two of you. So you are going to sleep yes sir, and she sleep right yes sir. And I'll give her her own sheet and everything. And I don't want you dead my cousin, you know. Because you are my cousin. She don't deal with broke people. And you're broke.
So how you know I'm broke?
Because you can't.
You know how much should I left that from my God?
Listen what I say. You see my family, they don't deal with broke people. And rich people they don't deal with. So my cousin now go date you. Because you're broke. You don't have no money, you can't buy nothing new. So you may say now. Deal with her good. And if you deal with her good, I don't mean you have to date her and her put no argument to her. It's that this you all look up on.
You don't look up on fist, daddy. You talk about.
Oh.
And I sit down right there, man. Can't sit down right there.
One may go on the road and get you something to eat.
Your lips say nice, though. No, but that's
Watch your speech, here.
No worry.
Yo, where you do over here, sir? Now head and tail on the drop asleep last night, so how you the right there, sir? And how you under a sheet, brother?
So I'm can't go.
You know, say a different sheet on the fair under you.
Be one can't go on, so.
You mean no me a go on, so me no want my cousin there with no broke man.
So what on there, Toga? Now you don't think you drop asleep last night for true. What you do up yourself?
So how you are going, so what you business if you want to go under a sheet?
Come in.
Your phone are ring cause you come like an auntie a call.
I want
Hear
you.
me I say my youth. The last time me I want you, me no want you there under no sheet with her.
No, true. Only say fun, but they have
Look here. That is no excuse. That is no excuse.
If fun then they are blue.
Alright, you see you drop asleep last night. How you up there some side her? Why you up there some side her?
Hello, calm down. Because I don't understand how you are going saying you create a big problem with
No,
him
people-
under a sheet, you know.
Me no want in there with your cousin either.
I don't understand what I'm going on.
You get too
Why you?
comfortable, you know. You get too comfortable.
Hello, calm down now, man. You hear me something?
I'm cousin me and him feel things.
So don't talk about it now, man.
Come get up and pray.
Why you? The last time me I want. You see, if tonight she is sleep, yeah, and you and her sit the same way again, me bust up your face. Listen me, I say, no, man. You see, if you do this again, you have to fair in your face.
Me I say,
And you need to get a work. The last time I tell you, you need to get a work. You can't there lay down every day and in a house like a done. You need to get a work. And the last time I talk to you too. Me say, you know, if you sleep with you, I said wait. If you wake
you
up
talk
and...
to her now like
Hello,
a
stop it now,
woman.
stop it now. If you wake up and see him set the said way, time to set better. I me see this happen all the time, I clap in your face too. Because anyhow, auntie knows that I go on now, your auntie will cause problem. You can't tell me say enough you dey sleep with the man. But so she carry her cousin come here, you have to sleep with the man.
Can't sleep with that nice.
Hello, that man already have to get up, you know. Anytime
Calm
me
down
get up,
now,
everybody have to get up when
Calm
me get
down
up.
now, me
So
can
you
get
can't go on
rest.
no more shit. I'm a done shot. Get up and go start,
Stop
get ready.
one so.
But if you are...
Yeah, man, so man.
Come now.
Get up and go brush your teeth and something. My youth, I say a morning like when me,
Don't sleep.
I just say me the morning in the house. When me get up, everybody has to get up.
Toga, just listen to him and get up.
My woman never tell you. Anytime me get up, she have to get up. Take him out of bed, you know. Come in I one bag of argument. You know.
Me not assign father growing.
Come on,
man,
no
little
problem.
pick me assign
Take him up. It's my for going yard.
Talk to him. Toga, get up.
Cause my place, you know.
Get up, man.
don't
We are not
sleep.
too bad now. Get up.
Yo. Take me up my place, cause you know.
Spread up your bed and something, man.
Yo, me I go on the work right now, you know. You see me? And 5,000. Hello, when I say two big people, I can't get 5,000 under a pillar. So try make some breakfast and make sure that she get breakfast, right?
Yes,
Make sure that she personally get breakfast. Because when she there yard, she not hungry. So when she come down here, she not supposed to feel hungry. Me not busy today and I carry come here. Me busy with who me carry come here.
Right,
Make your cousin buy something for you.
Where you work something day? You out for the hall?
Yeah, you know what
Alright.
yeah, man. We need to talk to you, cuz. Come on, to come in like what I want later.
I don't like some of them.
Me call. Yo, wake up your cousin.
Me talk to him. Go on. Go on. Come in. Me making it up and put up the bed.
Let's do. My cousin now come back in now, yeah.
Me don't get dressed, B. I'm going
But go start up the car for me. Where you key it?
Me don't have to know which part I put it.
Come to the key and come start up the car for me. Yeah, talk to my cousin. Where are you? Where you have to do? You know, my cousin now come back in. You know, come start the car for me. Yes, me and my cousin now talk. If you want, yo, come on, listen.
Me don't like how you wake up this morning, you know.
Hello,
You watch your tone with me and don't care with me.
Go on, start the car. Start giving me an argument. Hello. You see, the next morning, I wake up and see you and him so close. You have to go in your yard and my box in your face. The last time I checked you. Let go from here. Don't make me want you again. Me say, don't make me want you again. You have to wake up 24/7 and make sure set in there the right place. Set alarm every hour you get up. As you drop asleep this hour you so, you wake up back again and see if in the right place. Because anyhow, I wake up one day that morning and so no close. Me say a problem. Don't ramp with me, no, me carry come here enough with me. No. And she don't know say me I am not me. She don't know say I'm a woman. So nobody feel like say you can ramp with me. Because me I spend money.
So can I just kick her out then?
Yes.
Yeah, me I say, auntie said you need to come up there today. Come try to do something and come back down here. Alright, I'm not talk to you again. Later, here? Alright. If you're hungry, the friend still can call me. Hello, money, listen.
You can't start the car, you go start a piece of old car yourself. Come, look how long you chat to her.
You put something in my car already?
Yes, go on. See your bag with the copy.
No, I'm not care about it.
Go on. So fat. Tala. Oi. Go get the good time for yourself and down. Hurry up now. Don't miss this watch. Yo, come here, man, this way fast.
Wait for them there. Say I come in there in the bathroom. Come in the bathroom.
What?
Drop my soup in there. Oh, in there boy soup.
In your dweller?
Come on and fix up in pan. So how are this?
Bombas. Girl, how
That's why
you
they say cousin make good.
hold on there. You know me and my cousin in the bathroom and they come and accuse me in my own house. You know, so I can't go tell you. My cousin a plumber for a long time. Look there, I bathroom now. Come cousin here and try to help me.
To fix this? Fix the tile seat?
there. Tell it not flushing the girl, you just fix it. Eh?
Just fix
Anything
it.
accuse me, you know, see me call my boyfriend right
So now
now.
call him. Call him now.
Look here, me I can't go stick you here because I find out if I'm the other day a beer
First thing,
attitude.
look here. Look here.
First thing what? My cousin a plumber. You a plumber, Tonga?
Yeah.
Me I see if your man ever put your woman over your cousin.
Something wrong with your head?
Something
It
wrong with
don't
your
have something
head?
wrong with your head, girl.
Unless you're a woman too.
Unless you're a woman, right? Me in the bathroom with my cousin and my help me.
Oh, but
And
no,
me
but
in
no,
my
it
house.
might fix things in the bathroom, but yet bathroom do a bolt. The bolt not
My
true.
girl, I'm telling you something. I'm in no argument with them because you come in at my own house, little girl, and try to accuse me of cheating with my cousin. Look at my cousin. You think I'm there with my cousin?
So we are
Me
trying
and
to
my
say
cousin, me and a family ram girl. Me that never there with my cousin.
But
You know?
that's how I look.
What if
You know-
skirt out, your water skirt out?
Exactly.
I must
You know what?
fear
Let me
water,
tell you
I must
something.
pour it
You
out.
call my
Yeah,
man
lock
right
the
now.
door.
Lock
Because
it.
me
Yeah, lock
and
it.
you now go
Shut
straight here.
up. Me not busy me
Shut
shut
up.
up there.
In my own house.
I
And
know
my
your
man
house.
up here in the fool.
I know your house.
You know?
I am man out
We
of
don't
the
chat to
right?
you. Don't chat to you, girl. Me and no mad girl, Antonia.
Yeah, alright. Family Ramyo. Are you? Are you? Friggin' black. Family Ramyo.
We don't chat to you. Me and
We
no
don't
mad girl,
chat to.
Antonia. Tanya.
I'm alright. Yeah, you say you're black. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say.
Babes. I want to your cousin. Your cousin sick in her head or something. Now she come and accuse me, say me and my cousin lock up in a bathroom. Me not business for so she stay out.
Say, calm down. So what kind of argument that you and my cousin over there depend?
No, tell me about calm down, calm down. Look here, me and she and Tanya, me say. Look here, when I come back, I try to deal with this now. Me don't talk, you know. Me don't talk. Right.
I can't feel what I don't know. Because take me some and go back out there, so. I mean, I will text my cousin and tell him. But that's what I will call him. Oi. I don't even know what going on a while ago. Your girlfriend and her so-called cousin in a bathroom lock up. And me go in the room now wanna look for them. And me I say, me kinda hear look nice in the bathroom, right? So me knock on the bathroom and me say I told them in there. Me see boy I come up with a fix up pants and one bag of same thing. So me ask them about, you know, them a chat about how me chat too much and them make your girlfriend a chat about how you might make her kick me out of your house and one bag of same thing and chat about how plumbing in there do. Plumbing and I fix up pants and I come out and I lock bathroom door and I chat about how they don't want no skirt fly out. Me say I must under the skirt to come out from because imagine you say your cousin are the plumbing, right? You don't need to lock the bathroom door. You see me? No, we're not coming here to talk about this. The girl that cussed me like a dog. And it seems they say they not even care. Alright. Yeah. We're not going to talk about this. We can't talk about your wife because we don't want they come out and hear me.
So that's who you chat me to come call a mad girl or something? Eh?
We're not going to talk about this. We see the girl say me mad. Alright, later. Me talk.
So you want to eat and be
Cook anything, yeah, man. Yeah,
cook anything I just
I'm gonna tell you this now. I know why you walk and come no mad girl, you know. Matter of fact, me a mad girl for true. It's a ramp set a girl you ramp with. Come and walk and chat about mad girl, it's a mad girl. Me show you what mad girl now. Yeah, me tell you this ramp with. Like,
get like a cock up fight, you have to
oh, say chuck, I hear next time. Mash up like this. Don't wanna party. Don't fight. Me fight you for this. Me don't know say you go own place. Are you own place? Me never know that. Yo.
Come on, watch it. Move right in front of me.
You know what?
Move right in front of me.
Me must buck your one away.
Let her. Move your hand.
No, let her out. No, just let her out. Can you bad?
You're trying to leave the place now.
Prove yourself, mama. Prove yourself.
You're trying to left out of my place.
Me not in this today. Me calm myself, me hear? Calm.
Where's serious a black me for?
If you're going like that, you're going extra now for them things and me and things now. You can't go and say you can't go on them way there.
Maybe it's things.
But say people are not eat that, you know. You don't see in a bathroom like a party. You can't have those, you know, you tell her something already, say just done. Just done, no,
That's a true still. But me tell him say, don't care girl they come here and sing care girl come here now. If she in there care girl come here, we could have do as we want.
Me comfortable with her. Me comfortable with her over here, so, you know. Remember say night time you over there so with them, you know. And me alone over here so my time, you know. So when she come now, me have look comfort over here so me can roll and come back over some my time. I know like me and nothing, but me roll come over. When me roll, me go on the top of my bed.
Your mind what you doing
I
now?
don't like that. I don't like someone tired. But me comfortable over here, so at night time you're comfortable over there, so, you know.
So what you tell me say you pick up plugs?
Response here, when the night come and
A feelings you
just
catch.
relax man. When the night come, and him come, I am responsive. Remember, so me can't do around too much time there. So in a day part and in a day and me and you. See if you are going them way there, if you got suspects and say, yo, me and you there. I remember say me and your cousin, see if you are going and not do it so barely neither. Because people are not idiot. You know that. Stop going to the way and she that. Tell her already. So make she does work with that. No come a cuss over already go on extra. Make she go looking at things and say, oh she a going sorry. Stop going like that, man. Right. Anything can go on, you know. Watch ya. You couldn't even go shop and tell me say we are going shop. No. Tell her say me gonna shop. Must you turn me and I'm ready my mind and penetrate on them there sitting there. You know focus when you turn me on. You understand? I remember say you tell them say we are cousin, so we have to act like we are cousin and done.
Anyway, but me nah go like that the girl there, me and that the girl they nah get along. You see what me I say? So me go pretty up and go and nice up and thing, but me and that the girl they nah go agree.
Yeah man, just work with her if you want me to turn for long. Just work with her.
So that you do? You pretend and pretty up a thing?
Yes. And nobody about they going on an argument.
Like you pick up plugs too, you know.
Go on, man. I can't know if you have to run mad. You know, so this not do good too.
You talk about the thing not do good, brother. Some box up a thing, mate. You don't tell me say not do good. You're a trade man, dog.
Yeah, but me I tell you something, you know, if you
Look,
can't
look,
argument.
look,
I must say me and you work together, you know.
Look, no, then look, no, you tell you just you know, look. What that? 26. No, look on side. What that? 2 feet and 2. Where you tell me say thing the right, brother?
Maybe me can make a little mistake then. You see me, if I'm wrong, you just tell me I'm wrong. You see me in office.
Cut your one, cut down one money. You tell me about the thing the right, brother. You tell me about the thing the right.
Alright, we don't have to ask.
Just do what you do then, man. You tell me about the thing the right. Just do what you do then. That little cement that drop down in that place.
Hold on. Yo, me tell you about a woman I yard, you know. You know some woman carrying in cousin other day. You see me? I know me say man in cousin lock up in a bathroom. Say them a fix in cousin a plumber. Then if my backside plumber, me no can't carry him go do plumbing knock. Cause me have a link with everything, man. Me can't give my plumbing knock, man.
Yes, so me do my woman. Make sure take her out of the house. Left your house up there empty. I think say look a boy I come jump on my wife and me have her in a house in the same way. Me no play them.
They don't know in hard work. Hold on. They don't know in hard work come here for you go throw up there up here and man dust a go in my face. Yeah, what you say now? Yeah, but be listen to me, I say no. Me carry go there, me no want you go there in no argument. I come out about to my pull pants. So oh she just talk to me a while ago and she tell me say yo, I sitting there in my bathroom and fix and in cousin a plumber. Listen to me, so no just no cause no argument over there. You see me? Because me no want to reach to a point where she find out say you want to know my cousin. You see me? And when I come over there, I go sort out for her business because I want to know how him and his cousin lock up. Yeah, she called me a while ago. And she tell me say you eat that and something. Eh? Oh, them people are you, them people are stressing you.
Yo. 4 minutes to 5 now, daddy.
Yeah man, I know say I will check out time and all
I'm
man.
not even drop a catch, brother.
Come on. You have everything.
Yo, man.
You put some something in my car already.
You're good, man. Come in, man. Don't you want to
You go sort out the situation. Hold on. Turn off that fan and what are you doing? You see the argument that happened today? I'm not too like the argument business.
That's when I start.
Yeah, I know say you start.
Then because she knows me find out, see her and her so-called cousin in the bathroom, she take you up on me and start cussing me out by herself.
Listen, I don't want the war vibes. Listen me, I don't argument business. See that's all the calm. Try to stay out of your way. Listen me, I'm try to give you your money different amount of time. So you don't have no dealings with that. So I just give you your money to buy what you want and cook. Just there she can't take up and cook on the stove. Listen me, because I may have the rent for you. I'm renting the place cheap. Me and work on it all of this.
Don't she have one of her place go home?
No, I mean I work. A bank, this one I said, a bank no borrow chewing. I'm buying the car then I take down pay out the bank, you know. I'm renting a room, man. You know what I say? So right now I straight me and straight out everything now. I look forward to buy this place right now. No, I look forward to buy this place right now. I need something there talk. So as I was saying, no man, the person rent me place.
One?
Yes, me and her.
Then I talk.
Sometimes when we need talk, we talk on a good price, like what you can give me place and stuff. Yeah, rent us the stuff. What do you mean?
Huh?
Yeah.
No, she not giving her money that I now.
See, I ain't no grandma. Alright, me am. So you want to get something on the road or you want to cook something? Because I would if you don't cook something. I'm going to talk about soap on here. Yo. Where you lock me out of my one place? Where you lock the door for?
No, baby, just lucky because no the master link.
What you mean? Which mask it a fan na on? Yo, hear me I say my cousin are there. Suppose she didn't want to come in a while ago. Suppose she drop asleep or she want to come in or something.
So she not lucky door?
Knock which door? At your place? Don't ramp with me.
Let me tell you something.
I want to talk about going there, so I want to chat to you too. What kind of business that I want to do? Me say yeah, your cousin lock up in a bathroom. What they have to want fix?
I like y'all tell for me, you know.
Hello, don't call me cousin John. Let me tell you one something. Yes, when me little, from a little I grow, I fear her mother take care of me. You see me? Grow me and make sure I'm good. So me can never disrespect them. So don't call her no girl.
So when I tell like for me for about pants up on her
So you don't call me and tell me say I'm in my bathroom. So why
me
you call
ask
her?
me ma fix the bathroom, see bathroom there, I'm sure girl.
So
because we don't want to fly out.
Hold on. What do you mean you want to fly out? So when me did gone, before me left here, the bathroom me don't fix.
We at this.
When me left here, the bathroom me don't fix.
Listen to me now. This
Me use
morning.
it last night and nothing ain't do it. So one tweet now.
You know this me now me chain for me. Me chain drop in there this morning, right?
Oh, change up in there.
So I hit him and take out. So I don't know where this girl come from with their fairy tip, with their lie. I come and tell Palmy.
Mind game I play, right?
Everybody mind game. Are you a play mind game? Because you notice how you're not moving
But you
up. Everything she do, you always a back it.
But you
right?
hear me I said do me notice how you and that E that I move. Because me not understand me tell you to make sure that him get a work. And you say him can do plumbing. And you know me have link to everything. Why you never tell him to forward with me? And me carry him somewhere.
Me talk to him. He might talk about him hand and this. Me can't take him up and force him to do something.
Well, if he can't walk, he must be left here. Because me not mind no man. Me and him not sex. Me not sex man and me not take care of him. And me and you have sex that you responsible for.
Some can't want so. Why keep an attitude?
Because me no want no man telling them a place if they not walk. You look walk this cousin come down from country. I don't want to walk. Cock up every day and
so one to your cousin. One to your cousin now.
Don't worry about she a work.
She just what kind of work she doing?
I mean,
from she come here, me not see she left.
no, a week after she left and that's why she done it now. My cousin not turn like a feel. My cousin not work less. My family they love work and they love money. That's why I say my cousin can't do it for your cousin. Because your cousin broke.
Hello, he's going through a rough state, right?
Going
I'm a
through a rough
father,
state.
brother, Pitney, me can't just abandon him so.
Oh.
How you want me to do? Kick him out?
Watch your speech with me, here.
Babes.
Me don't want her to watch your speech with me.
Look here, we don't want to go in no fight with you, you know. We have come from too far. Anyway, I have to go up on the road. I want to fear.
Which way I go?
I go to stop and come back.
You hear me I say? 2,000 I can. I didn't get to buy lunch today, so take the 2,000.
Give me your key.
Car open.
Chief first, man.
Listen to me I say. Calm down
Stop jet me
Calm
up.
down yourself. You know me with you something. Don't run with me. Don't try to push no luck.
Let go me, man. So, have you noticed how you are moving now? But alright. We stop this. Oh, I go on the road and come back.
Yo. You say you're a plumber, right? You know me have a link with all them sitting there. So you don't want to hurt.
I'm going on the road and I say place to continue.
Do you think, man? See, man, I pay a mind game up here. Go in the bathroom.
I don't know what I go.
I say I found the place and I'm here pay rent and this one.
Oh, I'm going in there, sir. What?
Wait for the amount now. I tell you about the toothache and I have to go check your doctor. You know.
I kiss you, see me, let's see. I walk in and cousin good.
It's nobody a kiss. Him a look at my teeth because my teeth are hurt.
Yo, I'm telling you
Me
this.
sing good, sir.
Listen to me I say. You see me a kiss her?
Me see me too, yeah.
You know, if your teeth are hurt her and me a check if her wisdom teeth or something like that. You think me a same thing? You think me no hear about you? I'm my woman in the bathroom, boy, I do plumbing work. Hello, come
You
on.
can't give man hard chat in their house.
I'm me a parent thing and you want to left ya? Me say if you want to left ya. Me have to carry water, yeah?
I tell you, woman. Because
Me say, listen to me I say. Me say if you want to listen. You think
don't
the woman
matter me.
play
It
Fina?
don't matter me.
You think the woman play in Fina?
It don't matter me, I tell her. Say, you can put me in my back for already. Can't tell her.
Then take it then now.
You fuck up the laptop.
Hush.
Me allow me take a picture too. Me take a picture. So you can't say. So you never go so. You know what kind of good cousin soup this here, boy? Eh?
Let me tell you something, you. Let me tell you something.
Me pack up me sitting there.
Let me tell you something. Me no family ram. So me no want you come talk, say, you see me and nobody in this kiss. Our theater, I'm a doctor. So watch your speech. Cause me up here. Tell you this, don't ramp with me here. Me not like informer. Cause me know you ain't see me I do nothing.
Alright,
Yo, come on.
yo,
Come
me
on,
tell
come
you this now. Me never eat
Come
any
on,
friend
come
call my cousin, yeah?
Calm down.
Can I stop this thing? Can't people like them in your house?
No man, no, I let that man, don't worry about it. Just lie down.
Come mash up everything.
Lie down, man.
I know one time your woman come and yarn her again.
So.
You just see a man in the bathroom, man, and he cousin and kiss.
What?
I know him a come date me up and so me just come on.
Hold on, me don't believe that.
I
My man not do that. I cousin that.
and then cousin why would I kiss up in
Me
cousin?
hear him, I say, me happy hear this. No, sir. Babes,
What now?
I want to God tell me say happen between you two and one.
What happened?
You know, tell me say you see you two and one in a kiss up or something.
Listen to me, I say something to you, man. Me look like a you and him. Me look like a family ram. Let me tell you this, man.
But you talk about family.
Listen to me, I say, me no family ram. Me no come like a you and him. We lock
Stop
up in a
holding
bathroom,
from
but
hands,
no fix something. I something I fix for you. I something I plumb up for you. You know, say I'm a cousin teeth after and me I look pan her if I wisdom teeth. Me just hold him out so. And I tell him say if open him up, me see if I wisdom teeth. You know, say I mischief your cousin I come
Laugh
build.
at me.
You know, say I mischief my come build, but me and nobody in this kiss up. Actually, me winning with something I find out how I do. You want to come say something like me I do nothing. Listen to me, I say, believe what me I say. Me no need to tell no lie. Me no family ram. Me no make good soap. You know, say me even drink soap. So the hell me I make soap. Listen to me, I say, man, and me a parent for you know this, you know. You know, do nothing in here no more than there every day, you know. And me come in and me not get no food. So my time I go, me have to go buy food. You there and I want to cook. And me I spend my money in this. A matter of fact, to me get cross and me can have to go in yard too. Or you left out
I
of
say
this
I
too.
behave now.
What you mean if I saw me a
Where
go
this
on?
behavior come
Because
from?
I don't like people tell lie upon me.
So
That
we
me
are
I
talking
try
about
to say.
bathroom. But like being in a bathroom or do something.
So we are in there do? Where my plum?
Me not don't tell you already.
Where my plum up? Are you my plum up?
So when him seeing him saying see fear tongue in our mouth, you know, and that him tell me, you know.
See which tongue in a which mouth. Me no push tongue in a nothing. Me don't even like kiss. When you kiss me more while, me don't even like it. And me will kiss somebody else. Don't run no joke with me, you don't know me.
Continue.
What you mean continue?
Continue.
No, listen, me I hear you talk. So don't say, you don't know me.
Of course me know you, but what kind of
So
behavior
you
this
don't know me
you?
capable of doing.
You sound guilty.
What you mean
Because
you
to
sound
what you
guilty?
going.
Oh, you sound guilty this morning. Because you and your cousin in there do
Look
something.
here, me and my man speak. Why
Hello.
you butting?
Hello.
Why she a butting?
Hello.
My
Hold
cousin.
on.
Eh?
Let
My cousin.
Let me fix this. I'm going to calm down after your argument. Listen to me, I say. You see, if you are going to make your cousin stay here, you tell him to calm himself, because I don't want to hold him and fist out in
Look
people.
here, Fresh, she
Hello.
come here, you know, have
Yeah,
a mischief happening in the
Hold on.
house, you
Miss,
know.
don't point the finger
Hold on,
right
hold
so.
on.
Do not
Cuz,
do it.
calm down.
Don't do it.
You see me I talk about?
Yeah. You may say no. You see, if you want your cousin there, tell him to calm down, because I don't want to fist out to and teach them. Me not like informer. I say if me not do something for real, he can tell you. Me never do nothing in there, my cousin
Baby,
keep
buy
at
something
him.
for real. Are your cousin? What kind of something have you do?
No, me say if me that do something for real, in that comment, in that con chat for true, but me never do nothing. I'm gonna tell lie for me.
You know, I can't bother with the argument. Just drop it. Drop it.
And that's if you do
Drop
drop it.
it.
Because mind game I play between you and your cousin.
Oh, I
So-
see a man game a play between you and her.
You so find
Hello,
out the
girl,
truth,
don't
man.
touch my cousin. Don't show
You
me.
so find out the truth.
As
about your
much as
cousin
I
for
told
real.
her,
Hello,
don't show me.
I'm here touch him every night. So why you happy business with that? Let go for me,
Hello,
man.
don't make me do nothing.
Okay.
Don't make me do nothing. Keep it distant. Don't go too close. Me nah make none of you come beat my cousin here, you know. Because if you fear her mother, when me lick as me tell her before, I fear her mother take care of me till
Other
me come
day,
up.
did me tell her other day so she come in and jump on me want to fight me off?
Me?
Eh?
Come for you want to fight you off.
I kill me,
Yo,
should
go on
I
out
kill
the
you?
door. Me and my cousin need to talk. Go on outside.
No, me not left.
Me say go out the
Alright,
door.
that's me. I sit down. Move me.
I saw she about to pay your own
Because you get
house.
too bright.
Go on and carry
You
me.
are
Me a
she,
go
go
for auntie.
along.
Come on.
But me not move for you, so.
Me a go for auntie. Come on.
I mean, ram you in your face
Go on,
up to in a girl. Don't ramp with me.
Go on out
Oh,
the door. Go on
I'll
out the
take
door.
my phone
Big
too.
cuz. Yeah. Uh-huh.
God, y'all improve, man. Y'all play the bad boy. You know play.
No, sir, I saw me. I saw me have no deal.
You know play bad vibes, man. Where you and the girl now?
Girl come here want to fight me off faster over my own man. Come in and accuse me, say me and my cousin there.
You have someone there?
Yes. Accuse me. I want to jump on me, fight me off. Point about that.
A bad vibes that man. You know what I mean? But maybe, you know, say some family members jealous of their cousin still. So maybe I just say cousin, I just them vibration. But whenever a woman and woman are cross against each other, when they feel better.
Two bull can't turn in a one pen.
But you're no bull. Two on no bull, what?
We can't turn the day.
But the one man, no cousin and girlfriend.
Me no business, we just
No
not like
cousin and
her.
girlfriend. Alright, me say no, different you know. Yeah, what play? But yeah.
Yeah, that's the...
Happy there.
Yeah, I know.
Go on fire.
Hey, kill up on day after them, man. Day after them.
Yeah man, the man day after the car, you can't work every day, you know. Bunny down. You live right life, boy. Come on that yard.
David, I don't want to talk to you.
I don't know the last game, come I forgot
Yeah,
now.
man.
Yeah man.
You know, say other day, for your boy shout me and say a long time in a year from you, though.
A time, man, a time. So my time.
You know what me I thought, though?
Uh-uh.
For your boy, man, he said Bridget there from overseas, man.
Oh.
They're running fly out in a year.
Oh, Canada Virgin there.
Yeah.
Yo, you man change the name, my party can.
Yeah, man, I even man.
Alright.
I'm
Yeah,
there,
man.
man, here.
Alright. If you hear find him again, just tell him to link guy.
Yeah, man.
Alright, bunny down to the ground.
I go on, cuz.
Yeah.
I go on, daily.
Yeah.
Good. I go on.
Miss you.
So how was the day?
Kind of stressing.
This I gonna eat for morning. So why you need get something for you?
No, I'm up on the road. I'm up on the road, might as well come back there like you do and make you come in. So I have some kind of them in my idea. I'm going to do all this one.
I'm gonna get something for you.
To drive?
What's that true? Not go too far from you, right?
Take yours.
Okay. Buy something for each and so.
Alright, thanks.
What's the road?
Alright.
I'm saying I'm not license.
I'm gonna bring my phone so I can know you're calling and record it.
I'm saying that's the rule. Keep the window them up. Yeah. I play domino and come on my car and come here and come on now.
Yeah, be what's up?
Yeah, you got it? So why you not eat?
Yeah, I want money bills.
You mean you not have money? You never paid money this man. Don't ramp with me.
Me tell some you could buy that something there when we want.
Yeah, right, unreal. You know today, sir?
Early.
Okay. So, you get paid. It's about kind of week out because I remember say I did half couple days in this a weekend. You see me? So, I go bank money too. So, this may have left back. You see me? So, tomorrow, when my brother say, I'm going to give my hand. I want to place, you see me? On 2 days still, I think. And I'm going to give me 120,000. So, I give this money now. But if I'm 19 or 20, you see me? I give you this now. To go buy something off the market, get some goods in the house, you see me? And take your money out of it and get something for yourself too.
Yeah.
Okay?
Love him.
Love you too.
Let me know what I do without him. You're a nice Superman.
No, I don't like the Superman business. I don't like Superman business. But anyway, I go take a shower, you come? Or yeah.
No, sir, you know somebody bed already, babes. Well, bed, man. Me play a game.
You did bed already?
Me bed.
And normally you wait till I come from work, you bed.
Me remember somebody did go a 7. Well, man.
No.
You get piece of money to me.
Really?
People. And enough money give. Well, I know and enough money give me though. You can't give me $1,000
If you love me, you make me keep all of this.
Alright. Give me back if one. Give me back if one for you not
You
like
don't love
me.
me then.
Me have to buy
Take
food.
back, you don't love me.
Alright, give me $2,000 then.
You don't love me, say make me keep you all right.
Babes, when you ask me
Give
what
me
me
back
do
this
with the money,
Give me back this.
no, you have to give me $2,000.
No,
so
if you
can at
want
least buy
something, you
some
come to
flour.
me and give you something.
Alright,
Give me
I
back.
keep this.
Give me. Alright.
Alright, Mobius.
Give me alright. Go on bed.
So you have to read that money there.
Don't worry about it. Go on bed. Where are people, whatever?
So me no want to see what you do with the money.
Me
Make
just
sure
check
that
up
you know,
it
girl, you know.
and see if I write something again.
Don't play with me. Then know say me love you.
You can't get that game too.
Yeah man, join man.
Yeah.
Who's man?
Hello. You not go work before your boss call and you lose the contract. Eh?
Yeah man, I go work man. I
If
show
you
me
get late, I like you know fall.
wake up early
Play
man,
no.
that's why. Just the bun off for one game.
Come on out now.
Anyhow, remember she ran out time on you me game. Me game last night.
Babes.
Come on, so I'm guessing I week right now. Let me back
Suppose me
again.
tell her say we pay partner bill when we did home. We did.
Which partner bill? Who you fit in a partner, I don't know about that. I first say tell me about partner.
Did want to surprise you because your birthday come up.
Surprise me about what? You're not supposed to hide anything from me. And me there in a relationship and me I bring in the money, you know.
did want to buy something for you. Right now you make me a little surprise. Just calm me, I'll get you back still when we partner for you.
So all that money when me give you just turn off everything in a partner. So want me to buy nothing for your house and me give you money yesterday. What make the money when me give you for yourself and then use it for your partner? We give you the money to buy goods in our house.
Because we did who and that the money that we did who.
You know say I take this thing for joke, right? Because me give you money and say put some food in our house. What me go eat this morning? What me go eat when me come from work later? And you have a hungry belly cousin in there too. And plus see my cousin there want food. What we go eat? Sit down and looking at one another face? Yeah, you may say, I go to work, man, because I can't bother this.
You must can call when your friend you want to see if you can get one money.
Yeah, check crap on me head. So it's later, here. There's a difference.
Come on, sir. I don't give it that place already.
You did that play game with puppy.
But you may say no. Before you go no further.
Go, it's my car key.
Say no. I give it that play.
But that play two
Cousin,
game with puppy and his cousin.
It's my car key.
Yeah, we are the man carry.
Hello, Mr.
No, my cousin.
Mr.
Yeah,
Don't
because
call
the
her girl. Watch your words. She have a name. She tell her name.
Me notice how you give your cousin car for drive and you can give me car for drive.
Because you're not a driver.
What do you mean?
You're a driver.
Hello.
You go on.
That's what you should do in the house.
Your car people there. Or right, sure.
Burning. We're burning there. She in her room there. I know I'm not talk still, but I check her. Burning.
Yeah.
Burning. Burning. Give me. Burning.
How would that?
Give me a scream out of them, girl.
I'll put all that bit. Girl, I see you change up on me and so different thing. I'll put the one. You know what the girl they hear me before? I don't see any girl in here tell about.
Oh, you know, me hungry.
See because nobody so toga.
Hello, cousin.
Even.
Anyway, me hungry now. My chat in my ring up right now. So before me start about no room, my friend thing right now, find something to eat.
You're coming in hall. Come show your room on our back. Which a team and already clean up your room. You see girl out there son? I'm my man cousin.
Oh.
Yeah, me a liar girl, you know. You don't know from school days that one man make it.
I know, man.
Come show your room on this and you can get eating in your hall.
Walk is something I walk out, it's okay. I let people move around.
Feel true. Can take negative energy.
I'm very much change up room.
No, say room, they're very run about this. Enough your room. You see girl out there son? I'm my man cousin.
Oh.
Yeah, me a liar girl, you know. You don't know from school days that one man make it.
I know, man.
Come show your room on this and you can get eating in your hall.
Walk is something I walk out, it's okay. I let people move around.
Feel true. Can take negative energy.
I'm very much change up room.
No, say room, they're very run about this. You're around there, so we soon tell you. Get a lucky, you know, we just make a ramen there. Get one plate. Just give me. Yeah, look, you're welcome, so like your time pass.
You know my bread?
See, passing over there.
1, 2 slices of bread and food.
You say, yeah?
How you a cook?
Rice and peas, I cook and chicken, man.
I don't wait then.
But check about how I cook food here. Yeah, because I cook. Man, check me I cook nothing here.
So you cook me, man?
Of course, I'm cooking my man. But I want egg myself.
This what they say room, you know, and back.
Yeah, I'm so sure. Come show it.
Hold on, make me some. The plate are clean.
Yeah, man. Okay, that's something that I make.
Find a new style, huh? Promote it.
That nice?
Don't want the light.
You don't like this? No, ramen.
Where they boy is for your cousin.
Me will eat it when I'm hungry. Like, well hungry and I'll eat it to catch up the stomach. My girl, man, I'll give me tea.
Boy, so it's nice.
Nice closet, big space. Bed right there, so.
Oh, nice man. Alright. Here we are going.
Bed nice spring bed, girl.
Here we are going. Go tell him some more. Tell him some more thing. And you call me and tell me price and what will take place. Nobody never no bad mind.
No, sir. But if no bad mind.
Oh, alright. Anyway, talking about that. Just tell the man to me I want the place. Me no matter about the price or whatsoever. Just tell me I want it. Me come.
Babes.
Yeah, for right now, I'm sleeping. No time.
No, I don't like about my 6 o'clock. I have to wake up because I have to go up.
Go up with.
Because I go up this morning.
Go which spa?
I go back go look for me if mother.
So how you never tell me about this? I know upon the appointed time you tell me.
Big Ashley called me last night and tell me. So,
Yeah, so what when I there last night for you tell me?
No, late in the night, bitch, she come when
Wake me up and tell me.
Stop going so she come when I don't sleep, nearly don't wake you up.
So me always carry up so you tell me say I have to carry on your cousin now, right?
No, we all take bus. Show me have company and all, so you don't have to carry me up. Babe, me don't want to make you move out your way.
You mean move out of my way? Normally carry up. Or even if me have work a day, me get up from early and carry up and come back.
Babe, me no want bother you, babe,
No,
because
bother
me
me.
have my cousin.
Say not always a bother me.
Me have my
I
cousin.
hear me I say, me no business with it. Just do it. Listen me say. Just do it though. Me no really business.
I don't want fear.
You go on what?
Fear.
When the time come we get it.
I know we are going to wake you up. Me too. Wake up.
Are you?
Wake up.
Last time you tell you tap roll over for my cousin. What me tell you say?
Me do.
Me not tell her say, hey, stop rank with me.
Yeah,
You can't holla.
Get up off my bed.
wake
You not
up.
want no clothes.
Hey, wake up, remember. No, so we have to go up so before
What kind of short
time.
clothes you put on?
So yeah.
You.
This serious, brother. Me asleep. I wake me out of me.
Wake up and
Me
come,
say,
remember, so we have to go up so.
anytime when me get up, everybody in our house will get up and you know that. Me not laugh.
Cause come on, remember, so we have to go in now. You know, say, but we have to take bus by a certain time. Hurry up and get up now.
Wait,
So we can
tired,
catch
so.
you early bus.
We do last night, you're tired.
Me want to catch you early bus.
Get up.
Mommy, get up.
Get up.
Mommy, get up.
Get up.
Get up.
Yeah, get up. So now move.
Go wash out my face and come back. Ready now, you know? Ready now, come on.
You're not even beard. What kind of girl is that?
Don't worry about that when I go up and mother with beard, girl. You know, I want the bus. Left me. Hurry up and come on and go wash your face. I do what you have to do.
Yeah, it's me there. I'm good.
Take up your bag, baby. Take your cotton bag in from last night.
That's something we have planned, man. I just watch it too, man. That's something we have been a plan. If you pop bag last night, and you tell me say you get phone call last night, why you never wake me up?
Babe,
I'm matter of fact, make your cousin pay your bus fare. I'm not sure you how I start get dark in this. Make your cousin pay your bus fare. And you walk. Hey boy, now your cousin, where you do?
Me want to go, man, and she wake me up, man.
Make your workless cousin pay your bus fare.
Come on, now you give me say wake me up.
babe, we need a bus fare.
Me say, make your workless cousin pay your bus fare.
Later.
You have money can't pay your fare? Stop. Be stop that.
I'm your brother, the love man.
Stop pull where you push it from. Why? Does she get
No, she come back as supposed to today.
today?
Right now, I'm not even feel for go work today because I ain't gone. So, feel like it have to.
So you want to do?
I'll call my virgin man and tell me say, if you just mash up your work for me today, I'll call me second. Yes, so we can go on the river today.
Of course.
You ready right now?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh yeah, so what still now? Can't just go on out. Because I'm just left. What do you don't come back here?
Alright.
Alright. No man, for one more yes, sir.
Alright, so,
Like a friend then, you know?
alright, so go and enjoy yourself then. I'm moving, no go on, what you got?
Check in man. Come soon now. My virgin there, you know. Check in man. Not stay so far. I vehicle drive.
Yeah man, I do for the drive. It's a good thing like that for you up in the fire there. Woman, we are from Power there.
Wee!
But you enjoy yourself, bad dog.
Yeah man. Pink dress. Pink dress. General attack here.
Hey! Girl.
What a shop me there ago? Why I take time now? I have something to tell you.
I'm going here.
Come to me just come from girl and I have to come and go.
That's me, man. You must have in a bag.
When you come back, man?
Anyway, girl, you said this man wake up and say me a go river, right? I come around to call you for good, but I realize you never did it. Long story short, I'm there river. Now your boyfriend me see a river with him so-called cousin. I love up on a splash water, kiss up, all do the do to you know.
I do what?
You sit down in this and play babes and I play a wife, you know, say your mate in this and live with you, you know. That's why, remember other day when I tell me say, you for your cousin side, your girl and your boyfriend react one way. That's why they react so because I'm woman. You don't want nobody say that woman. So you must know what you do.
Okay.
River then they are going with one bag of things this morning. Anyway.
Okay.
Yes.
You never see a road without
Bag
a
of things.
tunnel.
Anyway.
We are going to go fix things, man. Tell me to tell me.
Me I got, you don't know, see a true, you're my best friend, me have to tell her, that's true. Me I got shop, I come on, come cook. So
Alright. Alright. Never see a road without a tunnel. Alright, watch me and do.
Sleep, man, sleep, man.
I really idiot I take me from.
Me asleep.
Me in bed cause of cook.
Stop it nice, stop it nice.
So if me I get up off my bed, the bed never make nice.
Like,
Hello, shut up and talk. Oh God. Me can't believe this do to me. You take me some big idiot girl. Eh?
If you take you for eat that me asleep.
All along you tell me say your cousin, your so-called cousin.
So no my cousin, my auntie Pitney.
Eh? I'm here from good source, so I'm going to river kiss up.
Oh.
And what kind of things in the water?
Me not go on a river work me the day.
Oh, work in the day. Well, me believe the person. But tell me, right? Me not in no nonsense because me from other day, me can my man come here.
You carry what?
Yeah, look for me. Yes.
Where you say you carry come here?
Look here.
So that the boy there and your cousin
Two
your man.
can't play that game. Two can't play.
Oh, so when you in that bathroom for sure fix him that
No,
fix and ain't nothing but no plumbing. You carry a man.
Nobody run off far. You have me, you're not run off far. Look here now. Look here. Oh, yeah, I forgot that.
Come hold the clothes and go on.
You think then? If it's a one time here, who is you? Who is you?
We finally moving now still.
Me and my man sex better than you, so you can't
Come
go
baby.
on.
Then I don't know about.
Oh. Come to the weather in the bathroom.
It's a 5 bills how much?
So yeah man, I can run up some money in Nigeria, so you don't know it go.
I laugh when it comes to money.
Or your name loses. Yo, for new thing there man, I don't know so new tenant there.
Yeah man, I'm lieutenant from the man. One time I win 5 grand from a boy that's high.
You know, we forever hype, you know. We forever hype. You know? You're a player now.
Oh. Well, I'm gonna get confused, boy.
See that?
I win
2 years. You understand?
5 years that land still.
You never tell me someone you tell you.
You never say?
No, I'm scared.
You think I didn't know about it?
Oh man. So you can't pay her rent, you know. Yeah. When she can't pay her rent, I guess I know.
See how worry about she and her rent for. You want to pay rent for her?
That's about.
You talk like say, me know say them the type of woman they like, you know. Me know say them the type of woman they like.
Accusation.
Cause you talk like say you want to pay rent for her.
What girl you do to me? What kind of something like that?
You talk like say you want to pay rent for her.
No, I just what you can pay when I say last tenant couldn't pay their rent, you know.
The girl must can pay her rent.
I just say me no.
Okay. You play again.
No, so though.
Babes, dinner so done?
No, everything over there already.
Alright.
Watch how your man teach you how to play domino, yeah? You watch?
Yeah, watch you.
What I said a while ago. You're proud of me, not sure? Where is it? Teach him. Teach what to play domino. God. Am I playing though?
You will split.
From General Gold, I use this thing, so. Well, we're going to find something different on the show contact, yeah?
Boy, it's easy. I told you that guy was in the boy.
What may I say now? It's history in the so. One day we see you sit down in your lap, you know what I mean? So now,
Take them to her.
yeah. I'm your cousin.
I'm a woman, but I tell you, I'm a woman, say I'm a cousin.
Yo, youth, yeah, live some life, you know, that, yo, when I grow up, I want to be like a you, you know. She have two in a one house.
Two in a house, one.
Yo, what a hell and powder house if the one in there? I know, see her cousin need that car, you know? What a hell and powder house that day?
Boy.
Nothing say girl brave so do, but yo, daddy, you are the bravest. Me say you are the bravest. For do that, that are under me past nose. That are under her chin. Under her eyelash that.
Boy.
Yo, yeah, do it.
Francis bring in your cousin thing to me, we bring in to my cousin to you, see me come here.
But for your cousin a real cousin, but for your cousin a real cousin. Make it dance still.
Just watch your man game where you play, man.
Yo, me wonder if I could have carried one girl like I feel my cousin too much, you can't see when I inside already.
You mean, man, I can't do that, man, but you have to talk in there, man, so you have to build them, man, and you are working, man.
Yo, no, we try that, you know.
When man roll out in a 2-man pack up in a LV.
Bagas, that is it.
I first, yes, yes.
Oh, yeah, do it again.
Up the road, me did go a shop, go buy something. I'm book up on him.
Oh, yeah. One down.
He say, I can't check you.
Four.
And he say, I want your number. So, me did go give you a number so he can call you.
Four.
Him, they ask him.
No man, I want thing me didn't want to care about, but
One
me can't,
thing.
me can't. No man, we just want to do something, but me can't do that.
What?
Emergency purposes.
Yo, go on in our yard. Wait a now. Oh, yeah, look at my bumbo cloth to man, so daddy. Oh, look at my man, so. Oh, look at my man, so. And she want deal with? You want her?
If you're not too want that.
Daddy, I'm a virgin car this time with a bounce with you, but I told you, I don't get him in that trouble. See, you see that big jeep there? You take bush. You understand the take bush and jump over gully. If you see that big one there come. You understand this one I'm virgin. You just beg a drive go to here. Take your time, go yard, yeah? Take your time, go yard. Hello. What look you do you want to talk to?
No, you say, I can't check.
Listen me.
Me don't know him.
Me a talk to the youth a while ago, and every time you walk and your bumper goes off, vlop, see you know.
He must know why man pam bumper.
So me
me
said-
don't know him.
Calm down. Me say to you, what you want to talk to me about?
You
now?
calm down, cause you up in your mouth palm me like say me not up in my mouth palm you too.
Listen me.
Me don't know a guy.
When you say up in your mouth, you're not up in your mouth. But at this you up in your mouth for. The look of you see you out there and say, I do. Cause me say, me ask me now. Me say you want her. If you not use her, we can get what left.
Me don't know him for
That he
that.
said to me now.
Me don't know him.
But it look
Me
like
don't know him.
when I was
I do you say I can't check?
But you wanna know?
Me no know him.
Here, me no fool enough. Me might be drunk sometime, but me no fool. You see all them, see our whole conversation. See ya? And stick toe and a laugh. And that me see how that doing now. Listen me. Me want you straight up your acting now. Me want you straight up your acting.
You want talk. Don't stop talk. One talk.
So you like you come here, see where you go left here. Oh, it's England, so I go that 9 because we know we are 10 and we're not supposed to make something nice that can wake you up. But we can't believe, say, the woman knows that talk to one little boy.
Stop. See that same little boy there? You see what I talk to? Enough time to see me.
Liar.
Yeah, me have proof. Enough time to see my squeaky come out there.
Alright, what can you do? You see, any day you see him moving here, take your phone and snap a video or a picture. Him go in a room and come out. Right? And definitely, that girl let me put her out.
No, me no, I'm mash up.
No. And a mash up is the truth of life. She said me I work 9 to 5 and I take care of every bills and everything and make sure alright. And as one look kids here play around with kids meal. But you may say no. Mama, come on, they make a talk, come on, you know, but me have a talk after the years still. Kill. You know, where man there? Me don't see come on no man.
No, we come single.
anyway, maybe just in the company right time. But me not really, me just watch the way of the relationship with she because she can't cook really, you know what I mean, and them things there. And she lazy. I see your turn, you lazy too?
Look for me, go look at me.
Me can't tell, but me look on her first and girl I jump up and down and I tell me say, yeah, fire, you fit you know. And she give me some style and say, yo, watch out. You can't do things and me can't come on. I'll be in a bed, you know.
People like that.
So looks are deceiving.
When
so,
me there, I see me cook and clean.
me see I go and do your thing, but you may say no. See me and live with me is not the same thing, you know.
They eventually live with me.
So we go through our one. You know what I mean? So anyway, just do that. Right? Then never talk after the year because the thing say something not go on. We get a vision 1 year, something not go on. Alright? Me I hear now, you know.
Come on, girl. See how she food they do?
Give me just some flour, you know?
Yeah, we just come here to the room here.
Alright.
Alright? Take a day off today, take a day off here today now. Right? So today about there, make some love and thing, right? Let's call in later because I don't really feel, you know, just want to spend some time with you today shit because I make a baby. Right? So if I want to say I want a baby, I don't get none. I'll me and try look like true. When I rest, so I'm gonna take some rest today and then in the evening, pop! One knock. Right? Alright, so that is it. Alright, I'm walk when the sun come back. That's all go. That's why okra when I can't there grow. So I'll check for
Alright,
them.
what we do?
Where you go do?
Clean bathroom.
Alright, so just get some rest, man. Get clean bathroom fast and get some rest. Alright. Long time, we no have no nice time. Tickers, how you dealing? Come on, some man. You see you want to talk about this, what you want to talk about now?
I really want to talk to you if nobody see her anything. But remember the other day when I tell me say, I forget proof for your girlfriend?
Rule of 3. Yeah, tell. Let me see. Let me see. So you go in the room.
And take around 30 minutes before you come back out.
So, alright.
See?
What am I do? May I go talk differently after that because you know, I feel no rent on the second I'm moving. Here, I want to talk to you.
Moving way.
Because, no, me just like if I'm winning. So,
Yeah, but you like me, you still have a woman, so you go
so
like
no,
me have
so
a
no,
woman.
I don't have no woman again. That girl in that room one day, I don't know there again. If she do what she do so, because she can't explain to me why the man there go in the room. You know what I mean? Because it's not in family and he said guy saying like her. So when the guy saying like her, I'm tell him to you understand flow.
Probably when you guys saying like her, probably they know each other already, but they might pretend.
But anyway, That guy there, mouth slip. So if any mouth slip, you know what you up to. But everything good.
Yeah, man, everything good. Just
Alright, I want to talk to you.
alright. Babes! Me mat there, you know?
Really?
In the right one there, so.
See, man, I'm gonna work.
No.
When they?
The right one about there.
See, man, I'm
Nobody, come on. Are you little now? No, come on.
this one.
Alright. What's down? Oh, I see that.
Gonna see you for go and me go so. I feel direction at no mama. Alright, anyway.
Me a come with you, where I go, me a come.
Matter of fact, which camera you talk about? See, I tell me say, I have camera in there all along and I tell me.
Me don't know nothing about no camera. Remember I go with this Nike kitchen the day when we there carry you. I'm she video we and carry go show.
Matter of fact, not too much info man out of the house there. Matter of fact, you can't come live with me because I guess I'm gonna live now. Say either if you go find a new man or you go back in your man house. So beg him go back in here. You beg him and you move him back things. Me and go about my business. Later, come on, this guy. You better you have to go somewhere or you go back in your man yard.
You know what me I go do? Me I go back over there to the fat girl. Me I go to the fat girl over there. Enjoy a little bit more. Hello. Hello. What your man when you chat say?
Girl, me
The man come round there a while ago. Come chat about how you see man a come from out of room. And then you only somebody we tell him.
so hold on there.
So one run a chat say.
Back up. Me this man a come out your room.
And you only somebody did in the kitchen.
Oh, so you can man over there with you. Okay. Cause me ain't doing no thanks to tell me. Thank you. No, like how you man over there make you grunt. Go tell him say you just come
Me no
out
got no
and-
man round there. And you already telling, cause me know say you telling, cause me see my come from round there.
Hello, let me tell you something. First of all, me no put my big nose in a
Me
piece of
see him
business.
a come from round there, so no, you tell him. Me see him a walk from round there, so.
You need to tell us, me tell him nothing about man.
Me don't know say you tell him, so don't deny it.
Girl, you know if you don't have nothing to do, you go around in your room or something. You have close to
Me know say you tell me no, but alright.
Argument to come on.
Alright, go and do what you
Argument
do.
to come on.
No, go and do what you do.
Where
Don't
can
worry
you-
yourself. Don't worry yourself.
Ah,
Alright, no worry yourself.
Ah, who are you?
No worry
Who are
yourself.
you?
Do what you
If
do.
you have
Don't
money,
worry
then
yourself.
your man
Alright, girl.
will
Bye,
say,
bye,
who
bye.
are- Tell her what
Bye.
only.
Don't worry yourself.
This time, your man a give you money, you can't go
Don't
give little
worry
boy.
yourself. Y'all gonna look where y'all gonna get where y'all look for.
You're too whore man.
Right.
Yeah, man. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life, put it down to the ground. Take what you take and go the way you do from that time to this time. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. I rise up this morning and I'm a youth like this, me always make conscious decision. You know what I mean? So, I take a month off and all the vibes and look into myself. You know what I mean? I've taken 10 years off a movie and since to come back start some movie. So the process of it is really what I want to accomplish is kind of moving not as speedy as how I think it should be moving. You know what I mean? Alright. So yeah, so in base of that now, so I'm gonna go to value a decision and figure it out. Either I'm gonna stop, do it and maybe move from Jamaica. Because you know one country is like uphill fight most of the time still, you know what I mean? So after the month we may decide. Them time they come out of the value of decision. You know what I mean? It could have worked, but I think the black nation is not really up for betterment. You know what I mean? We are not seeing far vision. We are seeing short vision. Just like the politician them, they don't see the big goal and the big issue. You know what I mean? So Jamaica itself gets stressing over a period of time when I look around you and see what's really going on, really. You know what I mean? And it's not one problem. Because I'm tell you one thing. If the raise what the Prime Minister himself, it's not really a bad move if him did give the same raise to everybody. Because minimum wage is down 9,000. It should go 25,000 just the same. Just like how him when they're 9 million and he can't to 25 million. It should have been the same. Because 25,000 a week is still not a lot of money really. You know what I mean? So the structure of the country is a failing structure. So you ask why Jamaica rank in number 1 in violence. It come from the same thing. We don't know our value, we don't know our worth, you know what I mean? So, no backbone in the country for nothing at all, you know what I mean? So if you had the good, it's like you had the good in vain, you know what I mean? So, it's a one-sided issue. Good people sit on one side and watch everything go on like they don't have a responsibility at all. They don't really pay attention to what's really going on. And I understand when Marcus Garvey say, we will not know until it's too late, until we're back against the wall. And I will push it further. Even when you're back against the wall, we don't know what to do. Why have we not united yet? You know what I mean? The country is paradise. So why life is not nice here? It's because of poverty and not no value on the people them. The people them are valueless. You know what I mean? And I think it's something that you should have taught them from in school. You know what I mean? From the small that you are special and you deserve this and you deserve that. And ensure that it enforced that you get that, what you needed to do what you... Because it can be a nice place. It could. The Caribbean should be united in the same sense. You know what I mean? Black people should be united in the same sense. Every other nation are unite. And still, as a black man, the possibility of any real help would have come from a white race. And that's sad. You know what I mean? Because we have gold here and there's no black people really there to really invest to bring it to where it's supposed to be. You know what I mean? It's a sad story. So there's a lot of talent that is hidden in the country and worldwide, Caribbean wise, where black people is concerned. But there's not enough being done. Black people have failed every time. Soon as them rich, they forget the struggle is real. You know what I mean? So they don't give back to the thing. Anybody give back, most of them give back for a reason. You know what I mean? So the structure, there should have been plenty black network of film company and TV station too. You know what I mean? Because when I was watching cable growing up, I always tend to stop at a show where I have a black man in it. It more represent for me. I will not watch a full white show. Some of the show them will stand out, but majority of them, if I have a black in it, I can more see myself into that show more. So likewise, it's the same thing what I'm trying to do from my end in Jamaica here. But when you fight a fight, like it's like fighting a fight, like I feel like I'm Bob Marley in his prime. You know what I mean? When he does start the reggae music. You know what I mean? So if a Chris Blackwell never come, the question you have to ask, would he have been so successful, you know what I mean, and be a global icon to reggae music? So is it the same thing the world saying to me now, if a Chris Blackwell don't come to save the movie industry, we won't go nowhere. And I think that back then black people have said amount of money so many times when they said white people don't have. But the white man more say vision forward than a black man. Black man is short term and hype and jewelry and you know what I mean, all the things that have to make sense, you know what I mean. So these are the things that I contemplate and wonder the next move, because I don't want to be doing the same thing over and over. You know what I mean? I need to achieve stuff and things need to change. You know what I mean? Things are changing, but it's changing slowly. So, but enough respect to the ones them that reach out, you know what I mean, and talk, but man, you know it go. Talk is cheap, you know what I mean? Good for the encouragement. Don't stop, continue doing it. But do you really know what it takes to continue doing it? Nobody really care about that, just as long as they do it, you know what I mean? So me have to take the time out to big up the people who really sponsor, who really donate, you know what I mean? One of the main person that I can count on at all times, it is Empress G, you know what I mean? May have one and two more people that I don't do, they don't want their name to be mentioned, you know what I mean? And I've big up people like couple people like Jules is the next person we believe in the vision, you know what I mean? She's always there too. And yeah, one and two people, but the amount of people that watch the program and want to see progress forward, the bucketive, it's not so strong, you know what I mean? There's a lot of things to be done and it's gonna take a long time. If I'm to do it, it's gonna take one long time for me, because it's not like that we're getting 1 million views. People have to eat and drink, people have to get money out of it. So if we actually get certain things, because right now we're paying rent. Rent is a big chunk out of whatever we make. You know what I mean? So you have to wonder if you do something go in a circle. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna take the month off to watch some things and see what I want differently. You know what I mean? But I'm disappointed. You know what I mean? So we're there going hold it still, burn down to the ground. Hope you enjoyed the movie watch a while ago. We have a couple more movies finish up. After them finish up, I'll let you know further what I go on. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. So still in the meantime, we have a look at Airbnb arrange still, so I left my number there, so you can see what I go on, same speed. If you want shipping at the place, we have that the option there. You know what I mean? If you have some local project I done, Papa is like the same thing, but now check a month out. Burn down to the ground.